Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to private your tweets on X. So you press the X app, which used to be called Twitter. And then you click over on your profile picture, scroll down, and where it says settings and support, click the little arrow and slide down again. Click settings and privacy. And now we're going to click privacy and safety. Now we're going to click audience and tagging. And then you press protect your tweet posts. So now anyone that follows you won't be able to see your post, which automatically privates your account. And then we're going to slide go down. Then we're going to press X again. And now you can see that there's a little lock right here, which says that your account's private. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe.